Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Olga Olivia Shaydina with student ID 22019072, and here I will explain about bar chart.
A bar chart is a type of chart that uses rectangular bars to represent data. Each bar shows a value and the height or length of the bar represents the size of that value. Bar charts are useful for comparing different categories of data. Bar charts are one of the most commonly used types of charts because they are easy to read and understand. They help us compare different groups of data in a simple way. There are two main types of bar charts. First one is vertical bar chart. The bars go up and down from the x-axis. And the horizontal bar chart, the bars go from left to right from the y-axis. Why are bar charts useful? Bar charts are helpful for many reasons. They make comparisons easy. You can quickly see which category has the highest or lowest value. The second, they are simple to understand. Even if someone is not familiar with charts, they can easily read a bar chart. Number 3, they show exact values. Unlike pie charts, bar charts allow us to compare exact number. And number 4, they can display large amounts of data. Bar charts are useful for showing many categories at once. And the last one, they are used in many areas. Schools, business, sports, and government reports all use bar charts. So here parts of a bar chart. A bar chart has several key parts. Number 1, title, explains what the chart is about. Number 2, x-axis or horizontal line, represent the categories such as countries, products, or students. And y-axis, vertical line, represents values like sales, population, or test scores. And next, bars, rectangles that show the value of each category. Labels show the names and values of each bar. And legend is optional. Legend is explain what different colors or groups represent. So here example of a bar chart. Here is a bar chart showing how many books each student read. The taller the bar, the more books the student read. For example, David read the most books. David read 10 books, while Charlie read the fewest. Charlie only read 3 books. This chart helps us compare students' reading habits in a clear and visual way. Where can bar charts be used? Bar charts are useful in many areas such as education, business, sports, finance, and governments and research. For the education, it's like to compare students' test scores, attendance, or study habits. Business to show sales numbers, employee performance, or customer feedback. Sports to compare the number of goals scored by different players or teams. Finance to track expenses, profits, or stock market trends. Government and research to compare populations, employment rates, or survey results. So there are different ways to use bar charts depending on the type of data. Number 1 is group bar chart, used to compare multiple groups within each category. Number 2, stacked bar chart, used to show how different parts contribute to the total value. Number 3, horizontal bar chart, used when category names are long, making them easier to read. While bar charts are very useful, they also have some limitations. Like, they are not ideal for showing trends over time. A line chart is better for that. If there are too many categories, the chart can become hard to read. They do not show relationships between data points as well as scatter plots do. Conclusion: bar charts are one of the easiest and most effective ways to compare different categories of data. They are widely used in education, business, research, and everyday life. Their simplicity and clarity make them a powerful tool for understanding and analyzing information.
So I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.